Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make king crab in Cookingdom full guide. Begin by thawing crabs safely and gathering tools like tongs, kitchen shears, and a large pot. Rinse shells gently, pat dry, and plan your cooking method: steaming, boiling, or roasting. Keep seasonings simple to highlight the sweet meat. Follow timing guidelines and test for warmth at the joints to ensure perfect doneness. In this video, I will show how to make king crab in Cookingdom full guide. Prep starts with measuring crab per guest and assembling simple aromatics like lemon, bay, and garlic. Create a salty, fragrant broth so the crab absorbs flavor without overpowering its sweetness. Partially cracking shells before cooking shortens time and eases serving. Keep butter warm for dipping and have plates and picks ready for a relaxed meal. In this video, I will show how to make king crab in Cookingdom full guide. Quick recommendation: after cooking a garlicky, buttery crab dinner, your car might need a pick-me-up, so consider Little Tree's black ice for a crisp scent. It's a small, fun way to complement a tasty meal and brighten your drive home. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make king crab in Cookingdom full guide. Choose steaming for gentle heat, boiling for speed, or roasting for caramelized edges, and follow recommended times carefully. Use a thermometer if unsure. Crab is done when flesh is opaque and 145 degrees F in thickest parts. Rest briefly to let juices settle, then serve with clarified butter and a squeeze of citrus to elevate the natural sweetness of the crab meat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.